What is the chance it will rain tomorrow? Will you win the lottery? We use words like maybe and probably all the time, but mathematicians have a much more precise tool, the probability scale. Imagine a simple line that runs strictly from 0 to 1. 0 means absolutely impossible, like rolling a 7 on a standard six-sided die. It just can't happen. 1 means certain, like the sun rising in the east. It must happen. And right in the middle, at 0.5, you have the classic coin toss, an equally likely 50-50 shot. Events that are unlikely live closer to 0, and events that are likely live closer to 1. So how do we find the number for other events? We use a simple formula: the number of favorable outcomes divided by the total number of possible outcomes. Picture a bag with 10 marbles inside. 3 are red, 2 are blue, and 5 are green. What's the probability of picking a red marble without looking? Well, there are 3 red marbles. Those are your favorable outcomes. And there are 10 total marbles. So the probability is 3 divided by 10, which is 0.3 or 30%. Here's a useful trick called the complement rule. The chance of something happening plus the chance of it not happening always adds up to a perfect 1. So if the probability of a goal being scored is 40%, the probability of no goal being scored is automatically 60%. They're two sides of the same certain outcome. This simple scale is incredibly powerful. It allows us to mathematically compare the near impossible odds of a lottery win with the near certainty of the sun rising tomorrow. It's a language for measuring chance, helping us make smarter sense of a beautifully uncertain world.